Hey guys, and welcome to a quick tutorial on using the new Destiny catalog. As you can see, I got a little webcam, so I'm just trying out something new. So here we are on the CHS LMC Resources Schoology group. You'll see the updates here. If we click on Resources, we have the different links here, and here's the catalog, library catalog. And new this year is the catalog is called Destiny Discover. And it is from Follett. It replaces the old Mandarin system. And here's what it looks like. You have the news, announcements, new fiction, which I'll usually kind of update as I get new books coming in. You can click on this arrow to look at it. Topics, so mostly genres you can look at. I've created collections here. And Lightbox ebooks, Lightbox books are interactive ebooks from Follett, which will be good for a variety of researching. Ebooks are in. You can see it recently updated with the new fiction I've got added into the collection. These are all from Overdrive. And then some learning links, which takes you to the Schoology group, the YouTube channel, the book club group, and the 9 through 12 online resources. So the first thing you should do when you get to Destiny Discover is log in. And up in the right corner here, you click on that. And it'll redirect you to log in with your email address. So click in sign in with Google. No need to use this side here. Everything is linked with Google. And once you are logged in, it should say your name up in the corner here. It'll even have your little icon or little initials there. And then you can begin to search the catalog. So say we're looking for the Hunger Games. One thing about Destiny that is kind of annoying is their autofill feature. So we're going to be looking for the Hunger Games, but then it has Hungry Hungry Sharks or the Little Red Riding Hood. We don't have these books, so you got to be careful when using the autofill feature. So let's just do Hunger Games. We'll click on that. Search. And it should pull up all the things that we have. So we have the physical book here, call number FICCOL. And then it also has the ebook available, Hunger Games, the Hunger Games series, book 1, and you can see it says ebook right there. So students can check out physical real books. What you would do is you put it on hold. You would click on the hold button, and a notification will come up to myself and Mrs. Fish, and we can get the book to you and bring it, give it to your ELA teacher to hand it off to you. So that would be how you get physical books. Ebooks, you can click on open and get those that way. There's also collections and databases and other information here. So you click on hold, say it is now available, and then I do all the stuff on my back end. So I'll click on hold. I don't really need it. Well, let's look at the ebook. Maybe we want the ebook version of it. Let's click on open. It's going to redirect us to the Overdrive website, which will again ask us to sign in. Allow Overdrive to access your account. And there's our title there. And you can get it in a variety of different formats. You can place a hold on it or open it up and get the book. When you're done, you can go ahead and log out. And you'll be logged out of the program itself and then just looking at the regular catalog. So I hope that helps, guys. And I'll see you in the next video.